Hello, welcome to Cycle World Motorcycle Salvage. I've got this 2006 Yamaha Raptor, but that's not what we're here looking at. We're looking at a 2002 Yamaha YZF-R6 engine, carbureted. I guess it's fuel injected. It has been inserted into this Raptor frame. It runs great. There's no case damage or anything. Good solid engine. The mileage on the engine is 15,182. Purpose of this video is to show you that the engine runs. I'm gonna fire it up. Had to make a little fuel line repair to the pump, but here we go. Loud, running a straight exhaust. Rev it up a little bit. Alright, so that's it. I mean, the engine's solid. As far as I can tell, it runs good. Starving for fuel. It's got carburation issues, running with no air filter and no back pressure on the exhaust, but it should be a good engine. It's for sale on eBay. Good luck.